Carly, oh, my foot! My foot!
Franklin won something that maybe he shouldn't have.
Where you going? Where you going? You're all packed and ready to go. Where you gonna go? You going away? Are you going on a trip? Go away? You're going away? Where you gonna go? You going to the beach? You don't have a bathing suit on, and what do you got in that? What do you have in there? You got a bathing suit in there?
Sure.
What's in there? Ice cream? You got ice cream in there? Let me see. Where?
Right here.
Oh, I see it. Vanilla.
Happy, try it.
Let me see. Let me try it. Mmm, cold. What's that? You got food in there? You got a hamburger?
Yeah.
Give me a hamburger. Oh, you have ketchup? I like ketchup on my hamburger. Put some ketchup on it. Good job.
Yeah.
Thank you. Here, take a bite. Is it good?
Chicken nuggets.
What else is in there?
Have chicken nuggets.
You got chicken nuggets in there? Let me see those chicken nuggets. Let me see. Wow! How many chicken nuggets you got?
One.
A bunch?
Yeah.
How much is a bunch? What else you got in there? You got a bathing suit in there? And you got chicken McNuggets and a hamburger. What are you doing? You gonna go to the beach in your pajamas? What's in that bag?
Dolly.
What do you got in there? What's in there? There's nothing. Anything in there? You got nothing in there. What are you gonna put in there, fish?